going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from the Tinker Closet here in my home office in Austin, Texas. What are we talking about today? How small is too small? It's a very interesting question. It was recently asked by my good friend Lamar over at MF Research. Now, he and I are in a group called the Carry Syndicate. You know, we were talking amongst ourselves and we thought it might be a fun little challenge if the Carry Syndicate did a tiny kit challenge. So this is my entry into the How Small is Too Small Kit Building Challenge. I'm going to be talking about 4 small EDC kits. Tiny EDC kits that I have assembled. When I say complete EDC kit, I mean it's going to have a knife, a flashlight, and a pen, and maybe some other goodies. But I'm going to jump into this right now, starting with the blue box.
The blue box. You dreamt of a blue box.
This is the blue box. It is a tiny little metal toolbox with a little handle on top. I got this from the Hightide store. This is a great shop. Links are in the description. This is an actual EDC kit that I keep at my small work desk downstairs. It's like a just-in-case kit with some items that I can just grab in case I need them.
Just in case.
Let's see what's inside. Compliments to Nite for providing a lot of the items in this kit, starting off with this little knife right over here. This is just a little Nite keychain knife. This is just surprisingly sharp, actually. It does lock out. It's not a slip joint. There is an actual lock to it. You can just depress that to get this to go snapping back in. I, of course, have added a little snake knot lanyard, but there's your knife. Next up, we've got ourselves a little Nite keychain flashlight in the matching blue. This is an actual great little flashlight. You just twist it on, twist it off, very bright, gets the job done. AAA flashlight for all you fans of the AAA. Got a little blue palm pen. These are just some inexpensive pens that I found a while ago on Amazon. They go great in kits because they come in fun little colors. And last, but certainly not least, you've got this fun little keychain ratchet from Konjojo. This thing is great. I threw it on a little Nite S-spinner in matching blue. The cool thing about this little keychain ratchet is it comes with its own little bit holster up here. So you just push the button down, it opens up, you've got directional changing on the ratchet, and then listen to that. So you got the bits stored down here. This is removable. This whole thing pops out if you didn't want to carry it, but it's kind of nice to have the bits stored in there. So you can just pop a bit out, pop it into your ratchet, and then very cool little keychain ratchet. And that's it. That's the little blue kit that I keep in the little blue toolbox at my work desk downstairs. Isn't it adorbs?
It was. It was totes adorbs.
This is my wife's EDC utility pouch. My wife actually EDCs a Herschel Mini backpack, so she essentially carries a small version of this backpack every day. She's actually got 3 versions of her Herschel backpack. She's got one in black, one in rose pink, and one is a Marge Simpson edition that we got at Universal Studios in Los Angeles. But this is a utility pouch that she can transfer from bag to bag, or if she wants to, she can just grab this utility pouch and take it with her. All of my wife's stuff is organized into little utility pouches inside of her bag. So she's got a pouch with some feminine products. She's got a pouch with medicine. She's also got a boo-boo kit. She's even got a pouch that's dedicated to just Zeiss lens wipes. So you're not going to see any of that stuff in here. This is a small utility pouch. This is stuff that my wife might need every now and again.
Every now and again in my life.
This is an absolutely fantastic pouch. I just wanted to point that out before I start digging out the contents. You can see that it is not overstuffed. It comes with these cute little bag straps on the back. This is technically, I think they call this a bag charm on the Herschel website, but I just love this thing. She's actually got the rose pink version of this little pouch too, just in case she wants to color coordinate. Yeah, we roll like that.
No skinny rolling like that. No.
Up in the front pouch, I've just got a little tin. What's inside? It is some Benadryl. Yes, my wife has allergies. Austin is a notorious allergy city. A lot of cedar in the air, so allergy pills.
She has allergies.
That's all that's up front. You unzip the pouch, and I just want to point out, look, it's not overstuffed. It's not ridiculous. Lots of good stuff in here. Let's jump into it. As I said, my wife has an entire pouch, a little IKEA pouch dedicated to nothing but Zeiss lens wipes. So over here, we've got some other wipes. We've got some Care Touch hand sanitizing wipes. And then we've got a fresh snap. These are great if you're eating and you need something to wipe your hands with. Down in here, we've got ourselves a Nitecore tip. This is a great EDC flashlight. I'm not going to get into all the features, but just look how bright that is. Holy guacamole. It's also got a nice little moonlight mode that's not too bright. Great keychain light, great EDC light. Fun little lanyard that I added for my wife. Right here, I've got another one of those little pens that I got off Amazon. These are great for pouches just because if you lose them or break them, they're very inexpensive to replace and they come in cool little colors. Down here in the middle, we've got from our friends over at KeySmart. This is a wine opener. First off, it's got a bottle opener incorporated into the end just in case. My wife likes a beer every now and then, but she really is a wine drinker. So this, you just unscrew that, and then you see this like recessed area right there in the corkscrew. This part right here fits right into that. It's machined very well. So nice job, KeySmart, with the fit. And then, yeah, that gives you a bunch of leverage so you can get in there and corkscrew and pull out your wine cork.
Giant container of wine corks.
Right here, we've got a awesome pair of compact EDC scissors from a company called Midori. I have a few of their office products. They're great. This guy, you just pop this open and they pop open like that. And great pair of scissors. Really effective. These work really well. And then when you're done, they slide right back down. Back here, we've got some flat storage. Right here, we've got a set of flatware from Cold Forge. This is absolutely great. I don't know if they sell these anymore, but these pop out, and then you got a little fold-out fork. And this particular set is the butter knife. So you got a fork and a butter knife. The butter knife one is also TSA friendly, just in case you care about stuff like that. And then in this little slip right here, we've got a mirror from the Anthony Noble & Co. This is a fantastic little EDC pocket mirror. They don't really sell this anymore. I don't think so. It used to be available on Amazon, but it comes with this nice little leather slip. Just great. It's basically just a credit card sized mirror. Very nice in case you want to look at your beautiful face. And then the very last item in the back is a clutch charger. My wife has an older style iPhone, so this one's got the lightning cable on it. They do make this with a USB-C, but if you don't know about clutch chargers, that's basically a very thin charging block that you can use to recharge your phone. It's even got a little MagSafe so you can click it to the back of your phone. This thing is fantastic.
Fantastic!
And that is my wife's EDC utility pouch that she keeps in her little teeny tiny Herschel black backpack. Not a bad utility pouch. Quite a few fun little items in here and a lot of functionality to boot. Next up is my favorite new EDC pouch from a company that you may have heard of called FirmGuards. This is a fantastic little pouch. It's very well constructed. It's got all of the things that you have come to expect. The YKK zippers, the high grade hook and loop, but it's just teeny tiny. I mean, this thing fits in the palm of your hand quite literally. Are you ready to see what's on the inside? Let's crack this guy open. Very proud of this tiny little kit.
I'm very proud.
A lot of functionality packed into here. Are you ready to see? I can't show you. It's too good. It's too good of a kit. Oh, okay. Here we go. I'll show you. I promise. Bam! Pocket Theory, look at the glory. Look at what is going on inside this teeny tiny pouch. Some of the tools I've included in here are so good that it almost feels like a cheat, but let's get into this. Let's see what I'm packing. I'm gonna go left to right and just start pulling stuff out of here. Starting over on this side, you got a Nitecore Tiki. This is a phenomenal EDC flashlight that's got a lot of great features. Again, I'm not going to get into everything here. Absolutely phenomenal EDC flashlight. Next up, we've got the Leatherman Squirt. This multi-tool is so good that it almost feels like a cheat in this kit, but it's got everything. It's got your knife. It's got a pair of scissors, and this is actually a pretty good pair of scissors. You got a file over here, and then it's even got some pliers that are spring-loaded, no less. You got a little Phillips head screwdriver, and then you also got a little flathead aka chisel and a bottle opener over here. This is an absolutely fantastic multi-tool. I cannot believe Leatherman stopped making it. They need to bring it back.
Bring it back.
Ratchet, we got ourselves a Bic lighter. This is just a great thing to have in a kit. You can burn threads off of your clothing. You can light a fire. You can light up a spliff. It's just a wonderful thing to have in a pouch or a kit. And if somebody else needs a lighter, you'll be a hero if you produce it. Right over here, we've got the Tie Picky from Countycom. I've actually added a little pocket clip to this one. I guess I could probably do a video showing you how I did that, but it wasn't really that impressive of a process. Basically, this is just a really frigging phenomenal toothpick. In fact, it's my favorite EDC toothpick of all time, the Tie Picky from Countycom. Definitely check that out. Over here, we've got a little titanium embassy keychain pen from Maratac. This is also from Countycom. You just unscrew the top and there's a little pen in there. This is a very functional pen. It writes really well. It's got an O-ring to keep it safe. So it's also very, very weatherproof. Down here, we've got ourselves a little Phillips head bit. Why do we have a bit? Well, because we've got our 711L Mini Ratchet. And this is kind of a contraption that I came up with that has a extender that fits down into the handle. That's a Weehaw extender. Yes, you could shove some more bits in here if you wanted some more bit storage. I just went with the single Phillips head to illustrate my point. Right here, we've got ourselves an ELF cable from StylePie. This is a really, really cool cable. It looks cool. It fits into a pack or a keychain that is very small, and it's got a bunch of features. You pull this open, and you've got a USB-C charging cable in case you need it. And when you plug this back in, what is that? Yeah, it's also a flash drive. It's got mini storage, 16 gigabytes, but you could obviously include more if you wanted to. But yeah, it turns this USB-C charging cable into a functional flash drive. This is obviously a great piece of tech to have in a pouch or a kit, especially one that's this size. Moving right along, we've got these tiny titanium tweezers from Brautigam Expedition Works, BEW. They come with this little cover at the end that you can just pop off, but look at these little tweezers. Look at these guys. You can just pinch, 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 grab things. Great for removing splinters, great for removing like an ingrown hair. I like having tweezers on me at all times. These are an excellent pair of tweezers. They are titanium and they go great in a pouch or a pack. Last but certainly not least, we've got ourselves a Mighty Bar. It goes well on a keychain, but it goes equally well inside of a tiny kit. This is just a fantastic little hunk of steel. If you need to pop open a soda can, if you need to clean dirt out from under your fingernails, if you need to pry anything, if you just save your fingernails, which is what I use it for, the Mighty Bar is a great, great option. Check them out. Links for everything, of course, are in the description. And yes, I forgot, there's also a little zipper pouch back here, which gives you plenty of space for like hand sanitizing wipes and perhaps even a little cash money.
Untraceable cash money!
It's Pocket Theory meets FirmGuards, and I gotta give you props on this micro kit pouch FirmGuards. This thing is pretty dope. It's very, very well constructed. I love the fact that it's got a whole hook and loop back because I could actually use this with my pouch plate system and carry it on my waist. But I mean, the high-vis orange interior, the little zipper pocket on this side, I mean, you could use this as a little EDC wallet, or you could definitely build out your own little tiny kit like this. I just think this is a great pouch. Check them out. Links are in the description. This is my Capsule EDC.
Capsule.
Yes, that's right. This is a complete everyday carry kit inside of a capsule. This is just a titanium capsule that I got from Countycom.
The capsule.
Can you guys tell that I really like Countycom stuff or what? Anyway, this is just a titanium capsule that I got off Countycom. And believe it or not, there is a complete everyday carry kit inside this capsule. Couple of things that I would point out: if you did want to carry this in your pocket, you could add a lanyard, but I don't know, in my mind I was like, yeah, you could bury this out in the middle of nowhere in a geocached location and always know that you had a complete EDC kit available buried somewhere. I'll point out both of these ends screw open, and if you will see, there is no gaps, meaning I was able to get these caps screwed completely down. So everything fit inside here perfectly, and you can just hear there's a little bit of a rattle. There's a little bit of a rattle, but for the most part, this is packed in here flawlessly. So are you ready to see what's on the inside of my Capsule EDC kit? Let's unscrew this thing and find out what's inside. Ooh, squeaky. Capsule EDC, you can see everything fits down in there. What do we got going on in here? Well, first and foremost, we got some bits and some eye drops. This is just one of those little single eye drop things that I chopped down all the extra material. So you just twist this off and you've got some eye drops in case you need it. Right here, I've got 4 double-sided bits from the Steinway micro bit set that you can get on Amazon. I've talked about this bit kit a lot on my channel. These bits work great in different kits. Next up, we got a safety pin. Yeah, just a safety pin. Great thing to have in an EDC kit. Right here, we've got a nail, a single nail. You could do all kinds of stuff with this. This could be anything from a probe. You can clean out your fingernails. You could also stick this to a tree if you wanted to hang something from it. It's a nail. Right here, we've got a couple items. We've got a titanium toothpick. Always nice to have, something to pick at your teeth. And then we've got this little pry bar bit, but this is inside my DeWalt double-ended hex bit holder. So that comes out, and you can use this with your hex bits. And it actually works. This side's got a little hex wrench built into it, plus it's got a pry bar built into it too, but it's a removable bit, just in case you stumble across any other bits that you want to use. I did have to modify this by putting a magnet down in here to get the magnets to stick, but it works pretty well. All right, there's still more to go down in here. What's in here? Let's just dump it out and find out. We've got a little packet of lip balm.
Lip balm?
Yes, that's right. Just in case you got the chapped lips, now you got some lip balm. And then right here, we've got an excellent pair of tweezers from Pro Tweez. These are not some mamby-pamby tweezers. These are very, very well designed. They just happen to be short, but as you can see, these are fully functional tweezer tips. These are going to be better than your Uncle Bill's sliver grippers. These are great, great tweezers. And then this last one does feel like a bit of a cheat, but this is the Signature Light from Victorinox. This is an all-in-one EDC tool. You've got a knife. If it's an actual knife, you got a pair of scissors. Victorinox makes great scissors. And then you've also got a flashlight, and it's not a terrible flashlight. And the last thing, you see this little slide here. Boop, now you got a pen. So again, you've got a knife, flashlight, and a pen all in one tool.
That's kidding.
This is my Capsule EDC kit. It all fits down in there. This capsule is about 3.5 inches long, about 1 inch in diameter. I mean, this is a pretty tiny little thing. It is the right size to hold in your fist and punch somebody in the mouth just in case you're looking for an improvised weapon, or you could just slap a little paracord line on there and slap somebody with it. I'm just saying, make use of the gear that you have. Again, I'm able to get it screwed down completely shut, and that is my Capsule EDC. I challenge anybody in the Carry Syndicate to come up with a kit smaller and more functional than this. Yeah, the gauntlet has been thrown down.
Challenge.
Challenge?
What kind of kits are you working with, Pocket Theory? You got anything smaller and more functional than this? Send me a picture at pockettheorydumps@gmail.com because I want to check it out.
Why don't you take a picture? It'll last longer.
Until next time, just remember to think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.